Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to forward your Hostinger email to another email address. First, you need to log in to your Hostinger account. Now, from this left side menu, click on Emails. Then click on this Manage button next to your email account. Now, go to Forwarders from this left side menu. And below Create a Forwarder, click on this Create a Forwarder button. Just to be aware, you can create one forwarders per email account. And your email forwarders will redirect incoming email messages to another email address. A new window pops up. Now you will start forwarding all emails sent to this email address to another one. Let's fill in one of my Gmail addresses or Gmail emails. You can select between saving a copy of your forwarded email or not. I will go with saving it. Click on this Create button. Confirmation email sent to my Gmail address. Below Manage your orders, you can see your Hostinger email, also the other email address that you will start forwarding to, and the status of this forwarding. And from these three dots, you can delete this forwarding, resend the confirmation email, or edit settings. Now let's check my Gmail inbox for this confirmation email. This is the forwarding email confirmation. This is the subject line: verify your email forwarder request. Confirm your email request. To start using your email forwarder, you must verify your request. Please click the button below to complete the process and start forwarding your emails. Let's click on verify. Forwarder confirmation was successful. Emails will start being forwarded to the given account. You can now close this page. Now let's close this page. Now let's refresh this Hostinger forwarding page to see the new status of my forwarding in Hostinger. Now the new status is active. This means that all emails will start being forwarded to this email address. Now to verify that everything works well, let's send a message to this Hostinger email address in order to receive it in this Gmail address. Now I will send a message from ben@bensexperience.com to ben@benstutorial.com. Let's verify this: ben@benstutorial.com, and I will receive it, and I will see if I receive it in this email account. Now from to subject line, I will test forwarding. Click on send. My message is sending. Message sent. My message was sent on 3 p.m. and 18 minutes. Let's see how much time it takes to forward this email message. As you can see, this is the other Gmail address, and as you can see, it was sent in the same minute. So this is very good. Now this is my test forwarding email, and this is how to set up an email forwarding from Hostinger email to another address. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.